how to change the app icon size and style for OnePlus Nord phones with Oxygen OS 15. Use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle at the top right. Once you're in the main settings, go down to wallpapers and style right there. And as you enter here, you'll go down to where it says icons right in this section here. Once you enter here, you will see all these different layout options. In the top area, you'll be able to select the shape of the icons and the style of it. And each one will give you a different style and shape. And you can also have a custom option where you can customize the icon shape for all the icons on your phone. You can also go back and choose that from another launcher type. And be sure to press apply to make these changes save. You can also have it show the app names or don't show it, or also adjust the size of the app names. And of course, going back to previous settings, you can switch back to them anytime you want. The size is this one right there with the slider, and the art icons is that for those of third-party icons as well. And once you're done, be sure to press apply and save.